Here it is. That's right. Man, it's getting way windy out here. Here it is. Man, it is cold and windy out here. They should have closed something down. Here it is. The heavy wind. There's a safe spot from those fallen trees, especially while videotaping. The heavy wind. An open space. Here it is. The heavy wind. That's right. The heavy wind. Better hope the angel protects me from this fallen trees before it happens. Ooh. My fingers are cold. Here it is. The heavy wind. Oh my goodness. That wind is blowing it strong. I wonder if that explains how that tree fell. From that wind. Here we are on our way to the bus stop in the wind. Hopefully I don't get hurt. Or anybody else. Nobody else gets hurt from this damaging wind. Here it is. There it is. The heavy wind. Sound like I hear something snap. Maybe a tree branch snap. Oh, got a few crows flying by in this wind. A couple crows flying by. Whoa, here comes the falling snowflakes in the wind. Here it is. The heavy wind. Hope nobody gets storm damage. like I discovered something snapped out of place. A tree branch snapped? No. Oh, I heard it again. Something else. It sounded like a tree snapped. Whoa. I believe it was that tree limb. Part of the trees had snapped. Or tree branches had snapped. Wow, that wind sure left a mess behind. In this situation, better hope nobody gets their vehicle damaged from the fallen trees. Here it is. The heavy wind. Oh, what a mess. I gotta get into a safe spot. How to get to the bus stop. Oh. Hello. Good. Here it is. The heavy wind. That's right. The heavy wind and the fallen snowflakes. The heavy wind and the fallen snow. The heavy wind and the snow. Here we are on our way to the bus stop in this area, out in the windy weather. There it is. The heavy wind. It's like a hurricane out here. Starting to remind me of Hurricane Ike. And the situation with tree branches falling in the yard. Storm damage from damaging winds. Oh. The birds trying to get to a safer spot. There you have it. Over and out. The heavy wind. Like us on YouTube and subscribe. The heavy wind. Wasn't expecting it to get this windy. Whoops. Wrong zoomer button. Like us on YouTube and subscribe. Heavy wind. My goodness. Maybe I should get some earmuffs to put over my ears. cold. Oh, almost stepped on that branch. It's just a small tree branch. Nothing to worry about. There it is. The heavy wind. And the snow. That's right. Crazy. Whoa, check out some trees. There you have it. Over and out. The heavy wind. That's right. The heavy wind. Looks like I just felt some fallen trees somewhere in the area. Cold and windy out. Looks like a tree branch snap or what's going on? Oh. Oh, it was the trash can. The top must have got blown off the trash can by that wind. Same way with these trash cans. Oh, looks like a trash can got knocked over by that wind, the heavy wind. I need to get some more AA batteries for this camera. Some events like this, it is really cold and windy out, and it's snowing right now. I think we're supposed to be getting some light snow. Percentage, I'm assuming maybe 30 or 40% chance of snow. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my goodness! The wind is blowing like crazy. Uh-oh, looks like somebody's bag got away. I believe it's a garbage bag. It was blown out of place. So is everything else. Whoa, what in the world? Litters. Flat soccer ball. Soccer ball that got flattened. Foams broken in pieces. Empty bottles and trash. Got trash blown out of place by this heavy wind. spot. Here it is. The heavy wind and the snow. So that's what it was. Looked like somebody's trash can almost got toppled over. I believe the wind is dying out some. Hope that's the end of the heavy wind. One way to put an end to the subject. The heavy wind. And my fingers are freezing. See if I can stop by somewhere to get some AA batteries for this camera. Up, my camera's got low on batteries. Time to put an end to this subject. There you have it. Over and out. The heavy wind. Like us on YouTube and subscribe. The heavy wind. Like us on YouTube and subscribe.